Brushing your teeth is an important part of maintaining good oral hygiene. Here are the steps to brush your teeth properly. 1. Wet your toothbrush and apply toothpaste. You should use a toothpaste that contains fluoride. 2. Hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your teeth. This allows you to brush the area where your teeth meet your gums. 3. Use gentle circular motions to brush the front, back, and top surfaces of your teeth. Make sure to brush each tooth individually. 4. Spit out the toothpaste after brushing. 5. Rinse your mouth and toothbrush with water. 6. Brush your tongue to remove bacteria that can cause bad breath. 7. Rinse your mouth again with water. 8. Use floss to clean between your teeth. 9. Rinse your mouth with an antiseptic mouthwash to kill germs and freshen your breath. Remember to visit your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings.